Ladies, we all have those items in our closet that we call their basic, right? Yes. Today we are going to be turning our basic outfit into a glam outfit for the holiday without, like always, without purchasing any new thing. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Mission and my goal today is to show you how you can turn those outfits in your closet that you regarded as basic into a glam outfit for the holiday. Without further ado, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. For the first outfit, we're going to be doing black. We all have black in our closet, right? We're going to glam it up to make it look very appropriate for the holiday. Depending on where you're going, you could do this to the office party, and you could do it to just a very simple get together that you don't want to be over glammed. All right, there's nothing wrong in being over glammed. Okay, don't let anybody dull your shine. If you want to stand out, go ahead and shine out and stand out as well.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a...
And here is just a basic sweater, okay? As in, nobody will want to use this to go to any Christmas or New Year party just because it is basic, right? But we're going to turn it and give it elevated look for the holiday. What I am going to pair this one with is what will make it to look update or to really fit into the season. All right, ladies, the bottom are the accessories that I'm going to be using to style this basic sweater. It's what is going to make it stand unique.
And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fire.
When I said we are turning our basic into a glamorous outfit for the holiday, I ain't joking, okay? This is t-shirts, ordinary basic t-shirts. Please make sure your white is white. In my own situation, I don't know if you can notice, I have a little bit stain here. Please don't judge the girl. This is what I have at home, and that's what I'm going to use to start. Judge me, I'm judging myself. Okay, so this is just basic white t-shirts. Please go ahead and make sure your own is sparkling white. Don't be like me, okay? I'm just styling in the house. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just giving you an idea, okay? So we're going to uplift this basic white into a glam outfit for the holiday. Okay, this is the basic tube. This tube is from Fashion Nova. If I am not wrong, it's from Fashion Nova, and it's basic. No, it's from Shein. It's from Shein. Yes, I remember I bought it from Shein. It's basic tube, you all can see. So if you have this bling dress at home that is too short, this dress that I'm going to use to transform this basic tube dress, I've owned it for a while, and because of my behind is bigger than the way it used to be, well, you can't blame nature, right? I gotta grow. So it's bigger than the way it used to be, so the dress is short for me. And for you to update for you to transform this basic tube to holiday glam, all I did was pair those two together in this video, and I accessorized as well with another bold color just to make it to fit into the theme of the holiday. I actually like how this one turned out. You all can see the little blink at the front because of what I wore inside, because of the dress, and also a lot of blinks at the back. Then you will see the reflection of the blinks showing in the tube all over. I absolutely love this. It's a basic tube transformed into a glam holiday outfit. Yes, we all have this in our closets. Even if you don't have it, you might purchase it if you want to, just to have an idea. So this is just a sweater dress, all right? And it's, in my own opinion, it is basic because this is what we'll just throw on and just go. There is nothing glam about it, but we are going to glam this up.
And no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic.
Please, you don't forget forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and don't forget to like this video as well. For the last outfits, I use a camisole which I have at home before, and I use it with the white pants tucked in, looking seamless. I love this look, and all I did was put a blank jacket on it. We all might own this in the closet before, or you might go to store to purchase if this inspired you. It's very simple, from basic outfits to an elevated glam look for the holiday. It's so easy. That's all I did, and I had all my touch of red here and there to make the outlook to look outstanding and fit into the theme of the holiday. And ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Happy holiday. Stay blessed. Bye bye.